Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, as spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgos, ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the question bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik tiglig nag-uumapaw manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So, umpisahan na natin na pasabog sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid natin diyang Scorpio, no? Tingnan natin. Angel Spirit Guides, give me information. Ano ang gusto mo sabihin sa mga kapatid natin diyang Scorpio? At ano ang pasabog at bulabog, no? And of course, there's a page of swords, there's an information, no? Maraming nagtatanong-tanong, kailangan mo magtanong, no? Or either merong ditong nag-i-spy on yun, no? May sumusubaybay sa'yo. And because there is an Ace of Cups, a new romantic cycle, a new love life, a new kilig, diba? A new romance, no? And because there is a Queen of Cups, magkakaroon ng healing dito, no? Healing dito pagdating sa emotional, and practical, and material. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. Wow! Magtatagumpay ka dito na kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspects, no? At the same time, there's a Two of Wands. There's a two-part, no? Kumbaga, tinitignan mo na dito both sides of the situations, no? Kumbaga, tinitignan mo talagang sinusuri mo kung ano ang decision mo, no, ang pipiliin mong landasin at anong way, no, ang gagawin mo, how to improve yourself. Let's see what is additional messages. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng realization At the same time, there's a temperance, a perfect timing. So, there's a temperance for patience, something. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na kailangan habaan mo yung pasensya mo. There's a time to heal and time to progress. No? Kumbaga, takes time, no? Talagang oras talaga ang gugugulin mo. So, let's see what is the Page of Swords. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Wow! A big money, big opportunity. Marami na nagtatanong sa'yo. Client, customers, no? And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, baka maghatid sa'yo ito ng finances, no? Itong information, kailangan mong magtanong or kailangan mong kumuha pa ng mga impormasyon na angkop dyan sa business, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. So, what is the Ace of Cups? Let's see what is the Ace of Cups. There's a Four of Pentacles. So, protect your power, protect your energy. So, sinasabi dito na, akin lang ang asawa ko. Charis. And kasi sinasabi ng Four of Pentacles, kung mag-protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Diba? Stand on your ground. And budget. Kailangan mong, kumbaga, limitahan yung gastos. Diba? Hindi mo kailangan mag-ubos biyaya. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups. And because there is a Page of Pentacles, a manifestation. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka daw ng healing dito that brings you a manifestation, no? May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na okay. So, sinasabi dito may mamamanifest ka raw dito, no? So, ibig sabihin ito yung matagal mo nang inaantay. So, let's see what is the Ace of Swords. So, there's a King of Swords. There's a mental clarity or mental ability or mental agility. So, there's an information of being wise, no? Kailangan mo maging wise at least dito. Kung baga sinasabi sa ito, na ang tagumpay ay nasa sayo. Kung pangangalagaan mo, kung magiging practical ka at magiging wise ka sa sitwasyon o ginagalawan mo. So, let's see what is the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands represent the Two of Pentacles. So, there's a balance. No? Maging balanse ka. Emotional, practical, and of course, decision. So, kailangan mong maging balanse dito. Kung baga, titignan mo talaga yung both sides of the situations. Diba? Let's see what is the Temperance. Let's see what is the temperance. There's an everything is fine. So, ibig sabihin dito kahit napagod ka na, kung kahit na, kumbaga, napapagod ka na kakaantay, no? So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo pa rin labanan at kailangan mo talagang antayin, no? Hindi pwede yung, nagkakaroon ka kasi ng impatient dito. So, you need to do something na kailangan, ma-motivate mo yung sarili mo and magkaroon ka ng consistency sa pag-aantay, no? So, let's see what is the Page of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Because there is a Four of Cups, re-evaluate or analyze, no? Before you click, just think. Diba? Kung pag-isipan mo mabuti bago mo pasukin ang isang eksena. So, nasabi sa dito, re-evaluate and analyze, visualize, no? Kumbaga, pagmuni-munihan mo muna kasi there's a big opportunities coming in for you. Pero kailangan matalino at talagang detalyado, no? So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups and across the Four of Pentacles, there's a Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy na raw itong offer na to by finances, no? So, nasabi dito, there's a gift by the universe. Kumbaga, ngayong November daw, napapasok na special gabay. Kumbaga, there's a gift na magkakaroon ng give and take. Kumbaga, balance, no? Okay. Kumbaga, give and take like sa parang balanse sa paggastos at balanse sa kumbaga sa savings, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. What is the Queen of Cups and the Page of Pentacles? There's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Kumbaga, manatiliin mong sarili mo on your ground. So, ibig sabihin, maging mahinahon, wag maging padalos-dalos. So, let's see what is Ace of Swords and the King of Swords. What is the Ace of Swords and the King of Swords? There's the lover. So, some of you kumbaga, there's a love, itong person mo, and of course, kumbaga, meron talaga kayong tagumpay to each and every one, no? Let's see what is the Two of Wands and of course, the Two of Pentacles. So, there's an Eight of Cups, no? Kailangan mo i-let go yung bad habit, bad attitudes, and of course, yung mga negative traits na nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages. Like I said, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo i-let go mo yung mga toxic behavior mo, no? Yung mga gastos, yung mga paggastos na mga wala sa kabuluhan, or something yung pag kung ano-ano yung mga pinag-order, pinabibili, na iwasan mo muna. So, what is the temperance? And everything is fine. Let's see. And of course, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng celebration. And of course, dito, there's a circle of friends. Kumbaga, maging aware ka lang, no? Kumbaga, panatiliin mong lihim ang, kumbaga, resilience, no? Yung mga galawan mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan ipaalam sa kanila yung kahinaan or yung ginagawa mo. Kasi baka, diba? Kumbaga, baka try rin ka lang at the end of the time. So, sinasabi dito, maging mahinaw at don't you worry, magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspects. So, let's see, what is the total outcome? What is the overall? There's a Knight of Swords, no? Some of you, there is a fear. Alisin mo daw yung fear na to na dadala sa iyo na anxieties. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment, no? Unti-unti matutupad yung pangarap mo. Parang nagkakaroon ka ng worries na baka hindi ko matupad yung ganito, baka suddenly parang ma-disappoint ako or something. No, kailangan mo mag-take ng risk. Ang Scorpio hindi yan umuurong sa laban, diba? And of course, there is a Queen of Wands. There is a stability and control. Napanatiling kontrolado ang lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. Diba? Confident. Confident is key to success. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. A vigor feature, no? Kumbaga, ang Scorpio kasi, kumbaga, magaling niya mag-visualize or mag-analyze, no? Even yung desires niya, kumbaga, nagagawa niya into reality. So, make your creations, no? Gawin mo yung bagay na yan para makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas, bagong eksena. And of course, there's a Full card. There's a Leap of Faith. Magtiwala ka sa frozen of progress, no? Magtiwala ka sa kakayanan mo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Pasabog tong pasabog, no? So, let's see. There's a wedding ring. Some of you there is everlasting promises. And of course, there's unhealthy choices, no? Kumbaga, maging masaya ka sa ginagalawan mo. And of course, kumbaga, gawin mo yung bagay na makakaligaya sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a camera, there's a memories, no? May mga bagay of reception tayo sa buhay natin na kumbaga dapat natutunan natin yung mga bagay na nakaraan na. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. There is a confusion. So, some of you minsan naguguluhan ka, ganito, ganyan. So, possible na kailangan mag-meditate and contemplate ka, no? And of course, mag-cleansing ka at the same time. There's a healing. So, some of you, magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspect. Or, kailangan mo ng healing, diba? Kailangan mo ng healing dito. At the same time, there's a spy. I told you so. Marami nagtatanong, marami tumitingin sa iba social media. It's either your customer or client, no? Kumbaga, maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo. So, galingan mo. Diba? Kumbaga, idol ka nila. Char. Diba? Galingan mo. So, let's see what is Archangel. What is Archangel? Michael, messages for you. Archangel Michael messages for you is a favorable outcome. So, this time is papabor na sa'yo ang kalalabasan ng eksena na to. No? This is your moment. So, kumbaga hanggat nandito sa momento na to, galingan mo. And of course, sa positive thoughts at creative positive outcome. So, ibig sabihin dito, you've also, kumbaga, optimistic. No? Kumbaga, panatiliing positive ka. No? Mag-positive ka na sa mga sa mga energy, wag lang sa ibang eksena positive. Charis. So, let's see what is the Moonology. Let's see what is the Moonology. And of course, guys, there's a win-win outcome forecast. I told you. Diba? Favorable outcome. And of course, the win-win outcome. So, ipapanalo mo to. So, naniniwala ako, ang itong laban na to ay gagalingan mo. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, nothing yet set in stone. So, hindi pa napapanahon sa ngayon. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na hindi mo pwedeng madaliin. So, ibig sabihin dito, talaga naka-unfold siya naturally. And of course, mangyayari siya talaga, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's, forge, don't follow. You wish you had and be a leader, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na, kumbaga susundin ka o maaaring you are also a teacher or professor or either kumbaga trainer, no? Tagaturo ka ng mga bagay-bagay. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring sinusunod ka ng ibang tao, sinusunod ka ng karamihan. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a golden children. Some of you there's rare gift, no? Ibig sabihin dito, mayroon kang, you are also gifted na bihira na ipinagkaloob ni God. So, ibig sabihin dito, bihira ang ipagkaloob ni God na lahat ng kakayanan ay ipagkakaloob. So, gamitin mo yan ng tama at gamitin mo yan ng wasto. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a loneliness. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nag-iisa. So, diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na hindi mo mababago at may mga bagay na hindi mo mapapalitan. No? Kailangan mo tanggapin ang katotohanan. Ang bagay na meron ka ay meron ka na wala sila. And of course, there's an health. Kumbaga, pangalagaan ng iyong health, physically and mentally, and of course, soul. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional message, there's a choices. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami kang pagpipilian or there's a lot of options, no? And because there's an environment. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga sa surroundings, no? Kumbaga maaaring mabago or something, no? Na kailangan mong ayusin. Of course, there's a self-inventory. So, ibig sabihin, mag-invest ka on your own. And of course, there is a daydream. So, some of you, papasok to by your intuitions, no? Maaaring sa imagination mo or something yung imaginations mo or desires mo, mangyayari into reality. So, kumapit ka. Diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, for chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. Na kumbaga sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka talaga ng healing in all aspect. And door to value. Wow! Kaya pala there's an Ace of Pentacles, a big money. And door to value. Oh, wow! Talagang, diba? Kayamanan. Talagang talagang uulanin ka dito, tinambiyaya ng langit. So, ibig sabihin some of you baka, diba, dumagsa ang finances sa'yo. So, kaya, galingan mo. Ganon! So, habang nasa sa yung sitwasyon, kumbaga nandun ka sa momento, galingan mo. So, let's see what is the chakra. Chakra is a forgiveness, no? May mga bagay na kailangan natin pagpatawad at patawarin, no? Kahit na, kumbaga, hindi natin sila kaharap, no? Physically, kailangan natin na silang patawarin, no? Gamit ang Diyos at Panginoon, di ba? Para hindi sa atin naghahatak ng blockages. And of course, there is a bittersweet, no? Pagkatapos ng pait, pagkatapos ng bighati at sakit ng nakaraan, may tamis ng tagumpay. Let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Raphael. What is Archangel Raphael said? Change position. So, some of you kailangan nyo ng magbago ng manggagamot o magbago ng doctors, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, a spiritual teacher. So, some of you kailangan talaga ng manggagamot, no? Spiritual teacher. And of course, there's an healing. Sinasabi talaga na, baka kailangan nyo talaga na magpagamot, no? Kumbaga, some of you, kumbaga, bakit ganito nararanasan kung kabaligtaran ng reading? No, kasi nga may sumpa ka pa o kamalasan ka pa. Hindi mo pa ito malalasapan, hindi mo pa ito mararanasan. You have a fully negativity. Tandaan mo, no? Kailangan niya mag-cleansing. Kapag nandun ka pa sa panahon ng kalugmo ka na talagang kumbaga down na down ka pa at nandiyan ka pa sa kumbaga kahirapan talaga, no? Kumbaga bakit ang alat-alat ng swerte sa'yo? So sinasabi sa'yo dito na nasa negative energy ka pa. Kumbaga, napapalibutan ka pa ng mga blockages, no? Maaring sinumpa ka or something na may negative energy na nakapalibot sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a pray always. So, kailangan nyo magdasal palagi, no? So, let's see what is angel's number, messages for you. Angel's number, messages. There's 1111, awakening. So, talagang nire-recognize talaga dito guys na sinasabi na, 'di ba? Parang minumulat ka sa kaalaman at ang karunungan about sa spirituality, no? Ipinapaalam sa iyo na may mga bagay na kaya pala there's ito ha guys. Kaya pala nothing is yet set in stone. So sa ibang Scorpio, hindi pa napapanahon sa inyo. No, bakit dito a win-win outcome forecast? So, ibig sabihin sa iba, pinapanalo na nila. So, ikaw, doon ka pa rin sa struggles, no? Nandun ka pa sa struggles. Kaya sinasabi ng 11:11 dito, na sinasabi na I am awakening. So, minumulat ka pa lang, no? O yung iba, iminulat na. So, pakinggan natin. The universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed and helping you wake up to who you truly are. See? I told you, inaayos ka, 'di ba, ng universe. Inaayos ka sa mga karanasang naranasan mo bilang isang tao. No, kumbaga may mga naranasan ka sa buhay mo na kahirapan at ito'y tinutulungan ka ng ating angel spirit para mag-succeed ka sa lahat ng mga struggles, obligations, sa mga responsibilities, even sa obstacles, no? Kumbaga ginigising ka dito sa katotohanan na kumbaga kaya ka nandyan sa situation mo kasi there's a negative involvement na kumbaga naghahatak sa'yo, no? Pababa. So, kailangan mong mag-cleansing, i-wash out ang negativity at kailangan mo ng healing. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Sinasabi dito, there's a simplicity. See? Simple lang. See? Sinasabi dito, today, I just simplify my life. As I do so, my burdens lighten, I release my ego. Need to understand, to prove, and to control. Instead, I undertake every task with an open, humble heart. Seeing through the eyes of a child, I discover life is in all its wonder and simplicity. As the complications and chaos of the mind fall away and remember I am one with the light. See? Di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maraming komplikado sa isip mo, sa maraming pananaw mo, sa mga perspective or mindset mo. Minsan ginugulo tayo ng mga illusions and intuitions natin, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito niya parang sinusubukan ka kung paano mo aalisin ang negativity or paano mo maaalis ang negativity sa sarili mo, no? Para maka-embrace ka ng mga good energy and of course para makuha mo yung bagay na para sa'yo, ang ipapanalo mo. So guys, this reading is special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa walang hasawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na guys yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, diba? Kasabog. Maraming salamat po sa inyo na way siksik-liglig siksik-liglig nag-uumapa o manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!